Today I'm reviewing Koch-Chemie GC and the FTW Towel by the Rag Company. This combo is an unbeatable combo for automotive glass. It also works in your home, and I'll show you that later. This is a twist loop towel, and these are perfect for glass. They have just enough bite to them, but they just glide across the surface. And the same with GC, it has gloss and slickness additives in it. So these just work so well together. So I've got a dirty window here. What I'm gonna do is spray one shot into the towel, and I'm gonna give the glass 2 sprays because it is pretty dirty, and just let that kind of sit for a second. What you wanna do is you wanna go to the surface and kind of draw a square, and then just go across it. And as you're going across, you're gonna notice it's gonna flash. It should feel fairly slick. You can see it picked up a lot of grime on here. Perfect glass here, and that's how easy it is. So now we're going to go on the inside of the house. So just take a look at how grimy this mirror is. You know, while you're brushing your teeth, stuff gets on it. This combo is going to knock this out. All I do, spray 1 onto the towel, 1 or 2 onto the mirror, draw a square, and just go across it. But it doesn't grab. That's the great thing about this towel and this cleaner. There's no grabbiness. I think you can tell this looks a million times better. On a mirror like this, got fingerprints and dust on it. Perfect. You get some smears in your sunglasses, something like that. Perfect. Your vision with your sunglasses will be so much better. I really think this is the perfect combo for glass. So that's 5 stars for me for both of these products, the Koch-Chemie GC and the FTW Towel by the Rag Company. You cannot beat these. Check them out. I know you'll be glad you did.
Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.